Hello, folks. It's been a bit since I've posted. It's been busy with the holidays and all, but yeah. So let me give you an update on the uh, issue that I was having. So I ordered a new. I redesigned and ordered a new ROM board and RAM board, and totally redesigned it from scratch using the same um, schematic, and got it in, put it together, and here we have it. It's all put together. I've got a 1 megahertz chip in the CPU module. And when I turn this on, you can see that we have another failure. So I started wondering why it works on the breadboard, but not on the PCB. And then I started thinking, well, maybe it's something in my schematic, even though it does work on the breadboard. So what I did was I took the memory card from the original Pony80 prototype that I was doing. Doesn't have any kind of ROM switching or anything like that. It's just very simple. It's got uh, the RAM and the ROM. Thought, why not try that? So put that in there. This back up a bit. I need to change my case to have it sit farther up. There we go. And there's the 1 megahertz clock. I'm thinking, well, maybe there's just something, maybe it's a one-off or something like that. So I tried it again. Nope, it still works. So then I took the CPU card and took out the 1 megahertz clock and replaced it with a 6 megahertz clock just to see if it could take it. Because it would seem to me that if it's something wrong with the CPU card, it's going to break eventually. And there you go. You can see it moving. Now, I've got this pin right here is in the wait slot. And if I connect that to ground, it's going to pause the CPU. So I'm going to pause it here. And you can see the message. So just because you can't read the LCD doesn't mean that it's not working. It is working perfectly. It's just the LCD can't keep up. So then I thought, well, let's go for broke. See what else I can do. And I took the 6 megahertz CPU or clock out, and I replaced it. That's a bad angle. There it is, with a 10 megahertz. Yeah, wrong way. And I've got, by the way, I've got a 10 megahertz processor in here as well, the Z80 10 megahertz processor. So put it back in, and on this old board here with no extra components, and again, I'll wait. There's the hello world. Oops. Didn't get it quick enough. And there's the Pony80. So it's working at 10 megs. So there's something wrong with the design of my memory board, and I am going to be troubleshooting that. But what I'm going to do in the meantime is I'm going to use this old memory board just so that I can continue with the keyboard interface, because I'm really excited to get that done, because I think it's a good design that will it'll kind of be exciting getting a PS2 keyboard connected up to this and then write a keyboard interface. And there's so much more I want to do. This just keeps blocking it. So I'm going to set this aside, and maybe I'll throw it. Take the chips out of it first, of course. But yeah, I'm going to here in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to go ahead and release a video showing the keyboard interface, because I've got it just about complete now with this card. And then in my spare time, I'm gonna go back and kind of look at the RAM ROM module. As I've mentioned before, I do have a full-time job, so it's not like I do this. It's not like I'm sitting in a studio somewhere making these videos. It's whenever I can grab some free time, and also just got a new puppy, so that's been uh, that's been a lot of fun. So, anyways, I will post this. I will post the new video, like I said, probably within the next week or so. But I appreciate you sticking with me, and I'm a little puzzled, but I'll get through it. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you.